absolutely thankful to be alive after his boat capsized in the high winds and waves Saturday afternoon. People on a passing boat helped pull him to safety, and it was all caught on video. 11 News reporter Kim Dacey joins us live in Annapolis with the details. Kim.
Donna, we all felt the change on Saturday. It was beautiful and warm in the morning, and then in the late afternoon, the wind picked up, blowing even more than it is right now, and that made it dangerous on the water. Overboard, but pulled out of the water to safety by a fishing boat. Tad McGowan knows he's lucky.
There was no question in my mind that my circumstances were dire.
McGowan says he took his 14-foot dinghy boat out for a sail when conditions changed quickly. The wind and waves picking up, capsizing his boat near the mouth of the South River and a mile from the closest shore.
My only option really was just to try to swim for it, but in those conditions, particularly with the water temperature, there was certainly no guarantee that I was going to make it.
Then he saw two fishing boats on their way back in. The men aboard the Chumbucket spotted him in the water.
We heard him yell for help, help, and luckily he got our attention. We looked over and sure enough, there he was.
As rough as it was, you had to be right on top of this guy to even notice he was in the water.
Is there anybody else in the water?
They threw him a cushion on a rope and pulled him into safety. McGowan estimates he'd been in the water, registering a frigid 54 degrees for 10 to 20 minutes.
Once we got him on board, we took every towel and every coat we could and wrapped him up every way we could to try to get him to warm up.
They brought him to shore, and the fire department checked him out to make sure he was okay before his wife picked him up. McGowan knows he has a lot to be thankful for this Thanksgiving.
I knew my situation was grave. I was reconciled to the fact that I might not make it. I definitely said my prayers. It was just providential. Those boats came along when they did, and I'm grateful to still be here to talk about it.
After all of this, Tad McGowan says he is planning to get another boat and go back out on the water. Reporting live in Annapolis, Kim Dacey, wbal TV 11 News.